Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to Use Case Modelling. This course is highly focused. You will learn two key techniques: use case diagrams and how to write use case descriptions that support and add detail to those diagrams. I will also talk about the context and how these fit in with and help in business analysis. This is a highly practical course, so there are two business case studies that you'll get the chance to work through and practice your skills. The emphasis is very much on practicality here, not just on theory. A brief introduction to use case diagrams. Naturally, there is more to follow in the rest of the course. A use case diagram helps you as a business analyst to understand how a business works and the key processes within it. The example you can see here is based on a community library, and this scenario, this case study, is used throughout the course alongside a second case study based on a bookshop. A use case diagram helps you to understand how a business works, identify areas for improvement, and identify requirements to be carried forward into a new improved business system. Final words. This course will help you to learn something new and learn something useful that you can apply in practice. Enhance your skills and develop your career. So please dive in, enjoy the course, and I look forward to working with you.